Hey there, and welcome back to the Anonymous channel, the ultimate destination for hackers and cyber defenders. To all the new viewers, a massive welcome to the family, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for being a part of this growing community. Your support is what keeps us going strong. If you haven't already, take a moment to and hit that notification bell. It's your key to staying updated on the latest hacking tips and tricks. Today, I'm breaking down the fastest way to learn hacking in 2025. No fluff, just a practical, step-by-step guide to get you hacking, ethically, in record time. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start with the basics. Before you can hack, you need to understand how systems work. Study networking, operating systems, and the architecture of the web. A great place to start is by exploring free resources like Cisco's Networking Academy or YouTube tutorials. Step 2. Learn to code. Hackers love Python, and so should you. It's powerful, beginner-friendly, and essential for automating tasks. Mastering a language like Python is a game-changer for anyone entering cybersecurity. Step 3. Get familiar with the tools of the trade. Every hacker needs their toolkit. Start practicing with Kali Linux for penetration testing, Wireshark to analyze network traffic, and Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities. These tools will give you hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of how to secure systems. Step 4. Practice with real-world challenges. Platforms like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, and Online Capture. The flag events are your best friends. These environments simulate real-world hacking scenarios, giving you the skills and mindset of a professional hacker. Step 5. Join bug bounty programs. If you want to turn your skills into earnings, bug bounty platforms like HackerOne or Bugcrowd are perfect for you. They allow you to test real-world systems, uncover vulnerabilities, and get rewarded for your findings. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so make learning a habit. Read blogs, follow forums, and engage with the cybersecurity community to stay ahead of the curve. So, there you have it, your fastest roadmap to becoming a hacker in 2025. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense guides, tips, and insights on hacking and cybersecurity. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep hacking ethically. See you in the next one.